Only the young people sit in the back.
You can't sit with us, right?
The old ones.
The old ones sit in the front. Do. Why can't I be cool? Maybe.
We're going on a trip to the cemetery.
Carlitos, do you remember how to go to the cemetery?
No.
No? Okay. Turn right when we...
Yo, what up?
Wait, Grandma has to wipe him off a little bit. He's not
He's
presentable.
dirty. He's dirty.
they sell with this thing to put flowers, but I didn't buy that because I say I cannot.
My phone keep going off.
We at the 99-cent store.
Grandma.
Yes! Stickers. Well, while Grandma and Dad are in the Lowe's,
Oh, I left my phone in the car.
we going Taco Bell. It is December 26th.
It doesn't even feel like December.
So my dad left my grandma in line at Lowe's. She's 87 years old. So he could go to the bathroom. And he comes back from the bathroom and she's nowhere to be seen. How do you lose an 87-year-old woman? Now we're on a search party mission to find her. I found her.
And what's wrong? Where's your mommy?
In the car.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, he found the right letters.
No, can't go to the bathroom.
We're visiting my place of employment in a different state. Did a good deed, fed a homeless dude. Where you at? Yeah. He's enjoying his food. Mary.
Should have had me.
Welcome to Hollywood. I don't know, Spider-Man just scared a chick. Sketchy Spider-Man. Well, I mean, they're both sketchy, but...
I mean, you're like cheap-ass costumes, too.
Yeah, that's like a...
Like, if you're gonna do this, at least, like, come on now.
It's that Harlem Globetrotter.
Oh, look, it's Minnie and Mickey. The cops. Balloon guy. I'm giving a tour. There's a guy dancing with balloons. Why? There's a guy, he's wearing a creepy mask. He got a knife. I'm not feeling this. This one makes me uncomfortable. I don't trust him. Oh. Here we go. Yoda.
Like Donkey King.
Another Spider-Man. Wookiee! It's a Wookiee!
Natalie Wood's handprints are over here.
Chewbacca.
I know these things.
Is that Robin Hood? No, the Hobbit guy. Is the Hobbit guy. Is that Mario? Oh my god. Where are we? But they're all like real sketch. I don't know. Mary, I don't know. Why? We going to the beach?
Beach, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say.
Vamos a la playa. We on the beach, and I'm getting sand in my shoes, and it's sandy, in. I'm ready. Come to me, ocean. Crap, 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 crap. I touched it. I touched it. How long did it? This bird is hovering again. Hi, doggy.